Welcome back everybody. Right, this is part 3 of the Justice League display. Okay, I've just had the backdrop come in. As you see, it's actually in the display. It's the backdrop is done by Dean Gladwell of Backdrop and Bases. Now I've added a little bit shorter, so it has a curve in it, so it gives that more cinematic view. Now it fits the top and bottom perfectly, so what I can do is move it forward or backwards, so I can have as a bigger display in there as I like, or I can change it around. But if I back out, it's going to be a little bit harder to see because the lights up there are so bright, but this is going to work perfect. So what I'm going to do, when I do part 4, which will be around about April time, it will be of the diorama. Now the diorama is going to be simple in design, but very effective and very different, but it's going to show off the figures perfectly. The reason is so I've got the figures inside here and they look down on the rest of the collection. So it's a great, if I open up the actual door, you can get as close as you like and there's no reflecting on the paper. That's how good a quality it has. It has a foam backing, but this one, because it came in the post and it's so big, it only can be 1mm foam behind, where he normally does 3 or 5mm. But I think he's done a really good job. If I just put a couple of figures in, you might be able to see the difference. Bear with me. There you go. He's done a really good job on this and I'm very actually pleased. So this is actually part 3 of the Justice League display, and this is just the backdrop. The 4th part and the final part will actually be the diorama itself. So this is going to fit in perfectly. So I can actually move it back, and if the display is a little bit too long going backwards, then I can actually move this going back. So anyway, it's just a short video of the backdrop that I get. You've seen Dean's work before, the backdrop in displays, such as the one for the Hulkbuster display and these ones here. Okay. Anyway, right, see you soon. Ta-da.